time with this woman don't born picking through one inside toilet country people them who go show us any kind even a group for bounty the way woman must be for inside or even thinking bad thing the way woman they do. I want a big salute. We'll talk today about this other one for woman. So woman again country people them. And now what did happen now? Woman we don't took a brother-in-law kill him for beseke na bury the country people them. They will tell now about this fight with this so Muslim, they need the green for respect to a Quran. It talk country people them. Chad country Cameroon now inside fight for us side for Newton Aeroport. Will tell now too about this chapter for this woman where we try picking with the catch them. So plenty people they send me message say they want me to see the face for that Samo Mari again country people them. Then they will talk about light we no day for don't be for like 11 days we no get light for place with the column. See this one, Peka ons for the country people. Then accident for Njombe wrote this night one person died accident for Kribi between 7 people them man a woman and all picking them where the last picking said now 4 months old or then died for that accident. Then for Marwa the catch thief people the way they thief bench seeking for mosque. I want a big salute. This one pigeon TV news Equinox television with me Imam Modibo Massa Talk. Assalamu alaikum for all our country people. We'll start with this same story for today na Friday, and the same story for today be say with dog way a leak oil na for a mop with the siam. Dog way leak oil na for a mop with the siam. Who give you that same story na Tonshie Stanley Bafanji picking with the bonam for the boni and grow na for Ngusi for Tombel day con Ngusi for Tombele place for Ngole machine Ngole country people. Then supporting for this one come from you will talk about and say this one now. Violion, yes, all lion for my player too na Tabi there. Thank you na plenty for this one. On a talk with country people, they see this one a wonderful palaver. It happened for Beseke quarter, we no fit for film because one is for Beseke the time for cross bridge with all the embouteillage and other thing then too. They don't carry their body go put them for Bonasama hospital mortuary country people. Them population we don't beat the woman take gear for police and then police now commissaire principal and the element and go lock them for commissariat central number 3 for Bonasamadi. This one a Joe a woman Joe na who Joe na this Igbo man Nigerian way they say they work offshore how they work inside fishing boat for offshore the country people. Then when anytime we come back when the small brother come visit them for house 80 up human vex human no one for catch his small brother with the eye yesterday as he drive his small brother so it can be ham so the fight start for that compound country people them whose compound now for motor diesel them for this so country people them as the fight did a plenty pass max which can take place so they be say the woman enter take knife. How woman they find their motor pistol when they be their gun they no see am. Enter find a motor pistol gun for woman they no see am. A carrying a knife. A take knife come chook daddy brother-in-law small boy of a master chook her for chest so zang. The man they look and see na play. Hala blood to come out for Olam. The woman took him again. I said the woman took him again number 3 Zanzan. Oh what you say? Devil incarnate na woman. Woman then I told say come out the weekend. I told her true. No like when I do like Kamambo the way they hate me. Now the man fall. People the eye were open. If you don't start to make so like in epilepsy, of a blood don't come on a black blood we know you don't touch heart. Carry on one rich hospital Bonasama, you don't die. Population take the woman a bit of this. Beat that. Now police then come and they can't take an go to Angola. It didn't so for that side for back counter for Bonasama de commissaire santé it talks to see you savez. Now so it for that side je ne savais pas où. Contribute wonderful matter. Woman, bangante man kola se menjui dami se man we de kill. To fear quoi? Ase na popo. You see, we Imam Modibo them. I beg a look at it. Now we talk say, may other people not respect Quran. Any man get for respect Quran. Any true Muslim get for respect Quran contribute them. Eh? There's a time for Ajimi. Say time for Ajimi. See what Quran told you Oma must do. You must love your neighbor as yourself. You must be kind. You're not going to find trouble. Trouble comes if you take Tokyo, run past Mimim, Vamos. Run 990. But the one I say time will do for Juji Mwen. Waste more time. Ajimi go finish, we enter Ramadan. Now for you, when so people in will fight. And I can fight. International fight. Yes. We go to one country against another. That means say Chad. Musulman Chadien against Hausa Cameroon. All in two the stay for outside for Newton Aeroport they control for back to Zakode. Why did it happen today? One of Palava Poubelle. Palaba dustbin. Now it is. Hey, contribuka. And you still do for phase de préparation. Don't be like chauffement. You talk and talk. You talk and talk. Eh? Faut que dustbin. Say Cameroon not can put dirty inside dustbin for Chadien. Chadien say no put them again. Tori. It don't start. It don't start. I say. Look at. Wonderful. Look at. See. Ngari bu for that side. Kan. Aha. Chup. Come over here. Now see the happen for this. Wonderful. Put it down. Give. Now see the happen for that side. Left arm, so. Look at. Give again. Give for the two. You know one get. Look. Hey, give. See the happen for this. I say church come to Cameroon. Hey. Pala. All side by side. You don't turn a Sanjawa. Country. Look up. Two camp. Now they come to that side, come for Cameroon, they come for round 4. Inside the matter, so they say, inside the country, for inside the pays, when I was on to down here, I say, start again, small. Yes. Start again, back to zero. Talk for that side. They talk. Any man talk, look up. Let it start now. Wonderful. I say, Muslim, all those after they go to say Allahu Akbar. After they go to say Allahu Akbar. They go to say Allahu Akbar. Now inside the dustbin, say you go chopper. Wonderful for this. I say, look at. Look, I'm going to put them. Whoa boy. Wonderful palava going to put them. Oh, international fight. You get international match for football, Chad Cameroon. You get international fight, Chad Cameroon. You get international ngiribu, Chad Cameroon. And that. For Monday, part 2. After day for this one, we now see wonderful balok. Man for bid, but there intervention rapid. He go move uniform. He go move civil clothes, put up a corner. He take uniform, put up his skin. He take dogo yaro for beer. Knife for beer. For can't choke down. So for that place. Now wait. For Monday, now go see. The man no face put avango. For Monday, they go see him. Or if one put 2 seconds, put only 2 seconds, and no make me see plenty because may not be like say they can, and say this palava so. If you want to give them small jara, if you give them small jara, so that you move and back the man because no so avangu nagu. You know say avangu nagu. And when après gu, no be nagu again. As they talk about this matter, so can palava can give Alex Njom Nang, the kind thing is the champion for montage with the one. Yes, country person, I get and shake up here. Imagine that kind of thing. Only 2 seconds for Avango to show. Wow! Hey! Okay. Monday. Okay, that girl where they so that woman, no be that girl 34 years now, woman. Marie Tamo. Marie Tamo. Where you do it? Marie Tamo where? Marie Tamo. When I move, he become Makepe Misoke, go stay for Bepanda. Tonnerre. Now he kill picking for toilet. Hey this. Oh man say once you know that. Oh Marie Tamo oh Marie Tamo na for here be stay. So you don't go chop say a different man tawe he must from Gata. New Bell. He go chop say a different man. After that one he do how? Carry belle. He don't say message come from Gata. He say message come for Ngata. He do how for day. He say one go move that belle day 8 months and a half with more than me. Move and throw inside toilet. Say me master no see. Yeah, me no student service be dey infidel. Move and try inside toilet country put them. Wonderful matter day. As soon as I get them for day. See one move and try inside toilet. So and so be so. Wait it can happen for the country. People them say this matter them as soon as I get them so. Move and see one try inside toilet now. It one they can catch her. Now marry that. Oh Maria, oh mommy for Jesus. Hey. Ah. I beg to get Maria now. Okay. No, na Ichi pastor. Okay. Okay, but Peter 11. Latin never be there for 11 days. Country people them. 11 and 11. Hey this. Look up. Banji the cut cable them. Say can go and don't fall. Make a no Latin they give for the country people them. Hot chop don't spoil inside fridge. Hot chop spoil inside fridge. Look up. Latin be congelated they open now. They go do how? Well, you say Papa and ring why you say that's what happen here. All thing no close for Ireland, no way. All thing is spoil inside congelator. Spoil inside congelator. Fridge too. And the ancient sonel we put the user. The ancient sonel what they use now. How they go do for this country put them. Wonderful kind matter, wonderful palaver they want to come get ready to talk about the insect issue. Yeah? I say cafeteria, all thing not to be worker. Hairdressing salon, not to be worker again for how many days? 11 days for the country people. Now, you want to be so way poulet congelé don't come back. Now they say, no, my own original chicken. Eh? Better person buy fowl, cut in egg yourself, cook and chop. Now we go back congelé where once yesterday you don't enter a true QC. They put her inside, they catch and burner. How do you slice like a okra soup? Enter market with the kiss around for now. Oxy price. Now it is. Now wow. Now later don't cut. You see what to be foul. When you buy for cut and so move it feather. Put it one go buy rakusi. Go buy congelé. Now you say all congelé so sick, it carry sick plenty pass mark. All congelé, poulet congelé carry sick plenty pass mark contribute them. Now, una buy una fowl, give for malam. Et cut in neck. Or nettoyer poulet for marché central or for this place marché de poule or this place qu'on say so marché de dos. They go clean and give for una contribute them. Una go cook and put inside pot. That congelé because woman no say he get fingernails and long like Dracula. Eh? And no one go clean fowl. He take shortcut, cutting root, rakusi, put inside pot one time. It don't disappear. Okay. So now we jump go for the different side. Or go so okay, we go try. Go for the one and say brave plateau. That will far will come back for the anyhow. Even tomorrow, even Monday. Accident will happen this night from Jombede. I didn't even say my own bed. I try to negotiate whether Madon give me some this point achèvement. Hey, my telephone makes you ting. I want pick up. It's an accident. It's a symbol of Africa. It don't kill some man. Jam the man fall down, die. It take Tokyo, run go in. I don't take telephone one time. Call. Marzi chef Songe Jacquino for routier for that side for Konsamba. It's a good thing. It doesn't for ballet for work. And so. One time, he catch. It won't be 20 minutes. He catch the motor. Driver said, no, I don't know until it's not a lie. I lay back. You don't kill some man from Njombe. You don't kill some man from Njombe. And so they carry now. So they carry now. The matter there for peloton routier motorisé from Konsamba. When I say, what will we do another number? We are begging to give when I say, when I call we for Tori. When I take an for beep, the flash. When I call you say, I want to check whether, my figure send story or I do all. Let other person know, key person for accident from Njombe. They use now the very number call me, and I don't call now, they go block the motor for different sides. That means I don't help the population. I don't help the population. Eh? Well, so you take the lost sense whether it's moon or that in Banga, you just take number, you call anyhow for the step. When I call the step, so if they stop the number now, yeah, you know if you help people them again. Call for to say something happen for you. For you, we will send people to go intervene. Now all work that so for self when I contribute. No be say now for just to call or flash like 20 times. When they call you back, you say, I want to know whether the number the worker. If the number not the worker, will give you for wait. For wait, contributing. Yeah? All I want to say, if one send story, write our text message, send out with your name under. Mr. Abuangi send story. I talk to smart, other one will call again, talk to this Abuangi send story. Cameroonian. Blind people are bringing for Enos. It didn't matter so. No, me Abitoko. Na Joseph Antoine Bell. Wonderful matter so. Nangerebu, eh? How Nangerebu so? Oh boy, I beg Mr. Luke say that machine the lost sense so if I move and so. Because if you don't live and so, if you colo, I hope we look at inside the matter. I want to notice until we concern this election. We also say plenty irregularities there for the election country people them. I don't make my own investigation. I see I'm say all that list of people that were the big Senate. Douala deuxième, Douala quatrième, especially Douala quatrième for this one. When they send their list for municipal for 33 people. Now list this. Where Ibrahim Talba Mala be signed up for the bishop of the delegation contributed for central committee. We take the list where they so now Njoo Prizo Achille Andre. Nobody should have said now. Tell me, can give the list yesterday. All the name the way it be there for back Njoo Prizo Achille Andre when I take the list. They can also put an now for film de la class. Let me say for last for the list for here. Carry the one them for under here. Bring them for up. Country people there. Even as a bad member for make us say made that list no pass or many. How did the man change lists? Malaxe Topsy. They talk about Topsy, but not Topsy. Now they want a Topsy list. Country people for this matter for Douala quatrième. They very trouble to have when I say Douala deuxième. Only one so LDPC. What did really happen with this country people? But I remember say for my own siam, me I remember say this so. All the things they do and so, you know, for shake people the way they do all that thing never said. Go for listen, leave now only Njoo Prizo Achille Andre for front. The other one into the shambule, oh change. You know get for be so. But all my day, at least they will name them for day. If you name me there for number 2, you can meet up on that for last. No trouble. Now list. Eh? Una do una must do all things so that make una first get election first. After that one, I see how this one with Dima. Which chapter for this to contribute them. So now, as one talk about them. So one and the other one too, as we talk about and contribute the series to na popo. What? Now wow. Okay, we come back now for the poulet, like that. Poulet don't come back. Mais innocent avec un poulet de son noir et blanc. Ok. Mais on m'a annoncé un poulet. Deuxième man be create machine try man how man so God be create man can try God. Then go chop soya here. Other man if they chop soya for garden or they lie say this one chop na free the fan na waiting. Eh? Them na soya. Okay, na for the same person buy a for they alive. Buy a poulet vivant. Yes. Now if you come on now, go do a time. But you want to congeler, sick plenty. Sick plenty. Sick plenty for those who contribute as we talk about and say this matter. Look up, you see him? Go cut in egg yourself. Put it inside pot cook am. It go better for you. Now it go better for you. Now we talk about the accident too. We already passed this chapter for accident. Now we go for accident for Kribi. Accident for Kribi, we don't go now so contribute. We want to tell you say for Kribi day, na some doctor with a woman and there are 5 picking them all and die so. Inside small Mazda 825. Where moto for bataillon intervention rapide. How you get bataillon intervention rapide bill? It take bill position on a troisième position. Jam that moto, finish the whole family so contributing. Officier, if you did. Aha! Well, I beg you drink waiting for the rain. Okay, not. Look up. Now master this. Yeah? Never na Karina na master. Every time I saw look at motor twist. Motor finish. Master 825 na idiot. For Kribi. We build motor chakra so. Eh, you allow us to build motor day. Why they move on quick? See, can't get in the look at. I see. Oh boy, put in there with the motor. Man, a woman. There are 5 picking them. The last picking the 4 months. That's what can happen for these country people there. For Marwa. We have said this actor they die inside their own film. What happened for Marwa Day? An accident. No, na bangti. You want an accident they travel, no be accident they route, na accident they travel. Whether a thief been skin for mosque, put it for prayer, Allahu Akbar, you can't thief. Inside me see me like the mosque catch you. Yes, contribute them. Like this. The other one, the cash you don't thief machine for mosque. They not cancel the one finish of the day. They say Okada they were lost, so that's why for Marwa Day. Okada they were lost. So they want finish now. Maybe see they take you last go time for police. You can tell people they make their prayer, Allahu Akbar, you can't thief machine. One can go. They say they sell them for Niger, sell them for Chad, sell them for Kenyan prison with this so country. And even for Nigeria. Nigeria machine come on take Cameroon and say can go sell them for Nigeria day. Don't I say happen now. Can now go out of the go out of the prison so contribute them. And say this chapter and this palaver them first. I can't get time for that issue there. So wonderful kind of situation will come up now for them. So as it happen now, so that intervention rapid take them hoa. Take them hoa for them, then finish with them. Finish with them so now, than that. Or for this so, place where they call and see this so. Now for Marwa Day. Okay. We enter service social for a beggar. We start now, grandmammy. So grandmammy no? Okay. Monsieur Tsafak Jean, alias Mota. On a Mota. Annonce la disparition de sa maman, la nommée Diatsa Régine, âgée d'environ 85 ans et ne jouissant pas de toutes ses facultés mentales. La maman Diatsa serait partie du domicile familial Sizamakepe Misoke face du palais depuis la nuit du vendredi 26. Au moment de sa disparition, elle était vêtue d'un cabas de couleur fleurie avec un tricot blanc manche verte. Elle s'exprime en Yemba, Tchang. Monsieur Tsafak Jean dit Mota, prie toute personne qui la retrouverait ou l'hébergerait de bien vouloir. Les joindre au numéro de téléphone qui s'affiche au bas de votre téléphone, votre petit écran 96 52 94 86 75 09 49 29 22 64 29 87. Ou à défaut, conduit maman Diatsa Régine à Equinox Télévision contre très très forte récompense. Inami buna si mami I'll bring am very fast because forte récompense me say sep container no fit carry that money with dash you. Okay, the other one too. Photo de come up, même photo come up. Yes. Il a été retrouvé errant dans la rue un jeune garçon âgé d'environ 13 ans. À l'entrée, Bonamoussa dit, il se nommerait Mwenga Michel. Nous prions toute personne qui aurait des informations sur le petit Michel ou même ses parents de bien se rapprocher du service commercial de Equinox Télévision. Téléphone 33 43 94 74, 33 43 94 74 ou encore le 22 64 29 87. 22 64 29 87. Equinox Télévision no get big récompense. Equinox Télévision no get forte récompense. Hein? Ok. Hey! Mami Nyanga, Fofier. Fofier Kemato Chevali. Fofier Kemato Chevali. Your family define you. Go back for house. Go back for house. Your family define you. Fofier Kemato Chevali. Chaveli. Chaveli Fofier Kemato. If you not see the one, you have call this number. 78 82 25 80. 78 82 25 80. Fofier Kemato Chaveli. Now that. Have you go? Okay. Bye bye. If you not see my back, belay the front. Alhamdulillah.